In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw funds from your broker account. This is an essential process to understand, especially if you're actively involved in trading and want to access your profits. Before we begin, it's crucial to remember that TradingView is a charting tool and doesn't hold any of your funds directly. Your broker does. So let's delve into the step-by-step guide to withdrawing your money from your broker account. First, you need to log into your broker's client portal. Remember, we're navigating away from TradingView and into the actual broker system since that's where your funds are held. Once you've successfully logged in, your focus should be on locating the withdrawal section within the portal. This section is typically labeled as internal transfers or withdrawal and is often situated under a My Wallet area in the secure client space. If you find that your funds are not directly accessible for withdrawal because they're stored in a separate wallet within the broker system, you may need to initiate an internal transfer first. This step involves moving the desired amount from your trading account to your wallet within the broker's infrastructure. This helps ensure that the funds are in the proper place before proceeding with the withdrawal. Next, it's time to select a withdrawal method. Depending on your broker, you may have multiple options to choose from. Common withdrawal methods include a bank transfer or electronic funds transfer. Consider the options available and select the one that best suits your needs. Once you've chosen the withdrawal method, it's time to provide the necessary withdrawal details. This typically involves inputting specifics such as the amount you wish to withdraw, and depending on the method selected, relevant bank details or account information. Ensure the details you provide are precise to avoid delays or complications in the withdrawal process. After entering all the required information, the next step is to confirm your withdrawal. Submitting your request is essential, but don't forget to check your email for any follow-up actions required to approve the transaction. This could be a simple verification step to enhance the security of your financial transactions. A couple of important considerations to keep in mind. Ensure that there are no open trading positions that might require more margin than what is available. If your account has such open positions, your withdrawal or transfer request could be denied. Additionally, keep in mind that withdrawal processes can vary between different brokers. It's always advisable to refer to your broker's specific guidelines or help section for the most accurate and customized instructions. And that's it. You've now learned how to withdraw your funds from your broker account confidently. Following these steps will help ensure a smooth and successful withdrawal process. Thank you for tuning in, and happy trading.